State versus Randall Beard, 16407, possession of controlled substances, firearms for certain persons, drugs and violence. Sir, I've appointed the Public Defender's Office to represent you. You're appearing for an arraignment.
Yes, sir.
Judge will waive reading of the information and plead not guilty.
Very well.
I believe there is a hold at this time from parole, gentlemen, so we won't talk about bond.
Set a pretrial on March 2nd at 10 o'clock in the case. Thank you.
We're trying to get something worked out.
State versus Shelby Chevalier, 16-406, drug paraphernalia, furnishing prohibited articles. Also has 16-373, which is a drug-related case. Amen. Ma'am, I've appointed the Public Defender's Office to represent you. Is she appearing for an arraignment in both cases?
I believe she's already been arraigned on the other one, Your Honor,
Okay,
on the 373.
all right. Did she enter a plea of not guilty in 406?
Yes, on the new one, we've waived formal reading of the information in her plea of not guilty.
Okay. Let me look at- There's also a 16-425.
That's
We went from 10 to 20.
Delivery of methamphetamine and other drug-related charges.
Those are only my first offenses, my first felonies. Yeah, because my brother's one.
You wish to enter a plea of not guilty on
Yes,
this
sir. And
case?
want to know if we could set a bond on the new case too, Your Honor.
On the new case?
Yes, sir.
There is bond, already said,
3250.
$30,000.
Yeah.
We could ask for a reduction in that, Your Honor.
Okay.
In reviewing her file, I believe she'd be bonding out to her mother's home. And these are the first felony charges I've seen on the defendant. I don't believe she's a flight risk. I don't think she has history of that. If she does, I'm unaware of it.
Yeah, and I don't think she's a flight risk. However, we have arrested this lady on November the 7th for possession of a controlled substance with purpose to deliver marijuana and about 6 other charges. She bonded out of jail. We then arrested her on December the 7th for possession of drug paraphernalia, furnishing, possessing, or using prohibited articles, a Class B felony. We have since now, I assume she bonded out of that as well. And then on December the 12th, we arrested her again for possession of controlled substance with purpose to deliver controlled substance, methamphetamine, and about 7 other related charges to that. Your Honor, it comes to a point where there is no reason to believe that this lady is simply going to go home and live with her mother. And that's all she's going to do. We'd like the bond to sit at $30,000. Community would like a break from her.
Yeah, it went from 10 to 20 while I was sitting.
Does her mother work?
Does your mother work?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is there a home during the
Is there
day?
anybody to supervise you being home?
Yes, my
Who?
brother, he's there. My brother.
How old's your brother?
He's 32.
She's got an older brother, I believe, that's 32, Your Honor, that could be there to supervise if needed. Does he
Your
live
Honor, we
there?
can put her on an ankle monitor.
Yeah, he lives there, Your Honor.
$15,000 ankle monitor, home arrest except for medical emergencies, court appearances, or with written permission of the court. Weekly drug testing if the probation office calls about it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
State versus Andrew Cunningham, 16-395, possession of controlled substances, drug paraphernalia. Mr. Cunningham, I'm looking at a police statement and some conditions of suspension or probation. Have you gone over these documents?
Yes, sir.
Sir, is this your signature on these documents?
Yes, sir, it is.
Do you feel you understand what's set out in the police statement and conditions of suspension or probation?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand the charges against you and the range of possible penalties if you're convicted?
Absolutely.
Are you pleading guilty to possession of methamphetamine with purpose to deliver, possession of drug paraphernalia, a B felony and a D felony?
Yes, sir.
Entering these pleas, you're giving up your right to have a trial. You also give up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that?
Absolutely.
Are you entering your plea freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
Has anyone pressured you or threatened you to get you to change your plea?
No, sir.
Plea? Other than this recommendation as to your sentence, has anyone promised you anything in order to get you changed your plea?
No,
Do
sir.
you need to speak to the report?
No.
Okay. And you're pleading guilty because you're guilty?
Absolutely.
Okay. On or about November 29th of this year here in Baxter County, were you in possession of methamphetamine with the intent to sell it to others?
Absolutely. Yes, sir.
And you had drug paraphernalia in your possession?
Yes, sir.
This time, sir, I accept your pleas to judge you guilty on the B felony drug paraphernalia and in possession with purpose to deliver methamphetamine. You're sentenced to 10 years in Department of Corrections. On the D felony, you're sentenced to 6 years in Department of Corrections. These will be suspended, be placed on probation. You're ordered to pay $200 in costs, a $1,000 fine, DNA fee of $250, a $20 booking fee, $200 in public defender fees, a drug crime assessment of $125. Pay what you owe at the minimum rate of $100 per month beginning within 30 days. You make your payments to the Sheriff's Department here in Baxter County. We'll just go with this gentleman here.
Yes, sir.